Two of the most common problems in the garment storage industry have finally been solved: system breakdowns and debris from moving components depositing on garments below. In the next few minutes, you will see a system with many more features than that of the so-called competition. In addition, you will see the way we maximize floor space, retrieve garment both quickly and quietly, operate in the most convoluted spaces, and yet operate without breakdowns. But what good will this be to your company if it is not affordable? Great news! Rancon's equipment is about the same price as equipment without these features. Let us introduce Rancon Systems by mentioning that the parent company, Bridgeveyor Systems, installed its first conveyor in 1969. Some of these original systems, running 365 days a year, are still in operation today. Our installations span the globe: Thailand, China, Singapore, Fiji Islands, Russia, Belgium, Israel, Hungary, Ireland, UK, United States, and across Canada. Built to endure the most demanding situations, some of our conveyor systems travel through the acrid atmosphere from acid baths, the intense heat of paint baking ovens, and the freezing cold of food storage facilities. Other applications carry the extreme weight of automotive components. You could say that our equipment is over-engineered for garment handling. But to make Rancon conveyors perfect for the garment industry, two very important modifications were made: the DS975 dust shield and the SR306 storage rack. Together they provide a totally protected section of garments. These sections are bolt-assembled and independent of the conveyor chain. These sections completely shield the garments by collecting any dirt or debris in the steel-rimmed collective tray. If garments are unprotected, dust and grease particles fall onto the clothes, creating more problems for the user, as seen so often with other systems. Even if the garments have a protective bag or plastic cover, dirt and debris manage to find the hanger hole, but not anymore. Do you like your garment retrieval area to look professional? The enclosed track design accomplishes this by surrounding the mechanical componentry, unlike systems with an unfinished industrial appearance. This enclosure also ensures that noise levels are at a minimum and that staff can communicate easily with each other and customers. A protective clear plexiglass casing surrounds the D1000 drive unit and provides the ultimate inspection window. This enclosure also provides a very important safety feature that meets strict Ontario government safety regulations that demand the elimination of dangerous sprockets and chain rollers which can potentially injure employees. Another of the many important features of Rancon Systems is the maximum utilization of limited storage space. Because the track itself only occupies a 2-foot width instead of a 2'4", a typical U-shaped configuration would require an 8-foot wide room. Other systems need 9 or 10 feet. Rancon also saves space by maximizing vertical storage with our standard 45-degree inclined curves. This allows costly floor space to be utilized by the customer for other uses. A Rancon system can follow virtually any convoluted path, from a simple single-level carousel to a floor-to-ceiling multi-path configuration which might include a V-dip section where garments can be accessed at one or more points along the route. Try that with a conventional system. Rancon's conveyor systems can be suspended from the ceiling, supported from the floor, or a combination of both. This is just one more way Rancon Systems increases your usable floor space. In today's rapidly changing world, flexibility is a must. The Rancon conveyor system permits sections to be added, subtracted, or reconfigured to any shape with minimal work required. This can be accomplished due to the simple bolt-together design. If removal, addition, or redesigning any aspect of the system becomes necessary, simply unbolt the required areas and make the necessary changes by adding or subtracting sections. The D1000 drive unit can be located on any straight section of track for maximum flexibility and is not restricted to pulleys and sprockets on only certain curves as other conveyors require. This is just another example of how Rancon's unique features make it the best in the industry. Need a system fast? All parts are stock items, which means quick delivery time. Parts needed for the expansion of an existing system can be shipped out that same day. An entire system can be on its way quicker than you would expect. All sections of the conveyor are prefabricated before leaving the plant and are shipped in small, manageable pieces. If required, the pieces can be numbered for error-free, rapid installation. Rancon Systems can also provide the installation of this equipment by factory-trained technicians where needed. An industry that values the flexibility, reliability, and rapid service of Rancon Systems is the movie-making industry. Hollywood feature productions, commercials, and television episodes use our equipment. They value a system that can be quickly assembled and run problem-free.
It comes through here. And the whole concept is one of continuous and efficient production. And we down to the kettle, pot, cook. Hey, it's your boot. Post my boot. It works. Of course it works.
Canadian clans caught up in pubs and craze. There's going to be a lot more gifts to wrap this Christmas, so this family built an assembly line, and everyone's getting in on the act.
Rancon also provides optional equipment. Some customers ask for chrome plating. We polish and plate the conveyor track to give it a showroom finish. This displays the customer's product or services attractively and professionally. Rancon also provides computer-automated search controls to allow you to input a number of locations on one or multiple systems. This eliminates the wasted time of the operator traveling back and forth to the controls. Please ask us about other customized options. 3 final points need to be made. You want a system that is fast, relatively maintenance-free, and affordable in today's world of tight budgets. At a rate of 72 feet per minute, compared to other manufacturers' maximum of 50 feet per minute, your retrieval time is significantly reduced. Rancon Systems has a manufacturer's technology which cannot be matched. The patented steel bearing and chain construction for heavy applications and the pressure-treated nylon bearing and steel chain for less demanding applications let you avoid the unnecessary costs associated with breakdowns, which are downtime, parts, and service to the system. A very important feature, which also helps avoid this costly problem, is the standard TU600 take-up assembly. By permitting easy adjustment of chain tension, one of the major contributors to system breakdowns is eliminated. Affordable? People ask, what does the system cost? It's less than you would expect. Talk to your Rancon Systems representative today.